Hi there. It's me, Gareth from Port Monkeys, and today we're on the Carnival Firenze. And we are on deck 7, port side, way in the back. That's the back of the ship right there. Those are the aft view facing cabins. Look for our video. And then this is crew only. But that doesn't say it. So we are in cabin 7482. And it's an inside cabin. And as soon as we get in here, muster station D3, got some hooks. That one's seen better days, right? That's the cabin, just so you know. That's the whole cabin. It does have one of these. It's got closet, a long closet, lots of coat hangers, both wooden and plastic, and a safe, life preservers, 3 drawers, pretty standard, plenty of room for 2 people, maybe 1. All right, so in here, it's got a pad, a pencil, and a blow dryer. It's also got a phone. On the counter here, it has 2 USB A's. That's Australian, I believe. It's got 2 USA type outlets and 1 European. So it covers the full gamut. It's got a switch to switch that on and off. Let's go over here. They've equipped me with some towels, shelf, stool, so I can do my hair, trash can, water shuttle information to Catalina. We're on a 4-day Catalina Ensenada. In Ensenada we dock. Of course, the room key was outside the door. It was in that envelope. Got some water. That's $5 a bottle. Okay. Hungry. Got room service menu. I don't see anything on there that's free. And the QR directory. Got a television. We'll talk about that later. And a refrigerator. And it's nice and cold in there. So, and I have it configured king size. It is 2 twins, so they can separate them out. And they actually maybe put the nightstands in the middle. Anyway, you should know that it's just an empty cabinet, right? And there's a light with a switch here. So here's the nightstand, and it's mobile, right? So if you need to move it closer, further away, whatever. Let's look behind the bed for outlets. Although I can tell you right now, this cord and the one from that nightstand is going behind the bed. Well, I came over to the other side of the bed because over here there are also 2 USB-A outlets and a light, a room light switch. But down here, both the lamps are plugged into this outlet, dual outlet, and those are European style outlets. So unless you bring an adapter and want to unplug the lamp, underneath the bed or behind the bed is no good. They've also stored sheets down here. There is plenty of room to push your suitcases under there, so you don't have to stick them in the closet if you want. So that's the bed. It's got a nice picture. I think that's Florence, but I could be wrong. By the way, there are no USB ports over here. and no switch for these lights. There is a thermostat, and I can see that it's all the way at the bottom. There are no numbers, but it's as cool as it's going to be. Another hook. This is the bathroom light. So let's go in the bathroom. It's got one of these pull-out mirrors. It's two-sided. It's got 3 shelves and 2 little glasses. It's got this handy outlet for your electric razor, shaver. It's got another mirror. And 3 more shelves with tissues. They've given you a bar of soap. Princess doesn't do that. Of course, sink with a faucet, trash can, extra tissues, extra toilet paper, roll of toilet paper there, and the shower. So it's a hole, and that's glass, I think. Anyway, normally there's a clothesline here. This cabin doesn't have a clothesline. It's got the holder. It's got the, the other side. It does have a removable shower head though. It also has shower gel and shampoo as one. So, but it does have that bar of soap out there. Now, let's talk about the shower controls. So this is water on off pressure, and I don't see any markings on there other than I just tested it. And then this is temperature, and you see those numbers, right? So 38 degrees Celsius, these are in Celsius, 38 is 100 degrees, or it's supposed to be. There, this is locking in. And you push this little button if you want it to be hotter. And that's 50. So, there you go. Don't burn yourself. Well, let's talk just a minute about Carnival TVs. So, it's got 3 choices. Watch and listen, fun on board, you and your cruise. So you can check your account there. That's a list of activities. Watch and listen. So TV, on demand. So those are movies. Now keep in mind that some movies cost. Inside Out is $10. Inside Out 2, $10. Here's an old movie, older, Aviator. It's free. I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to go to TV. You should know that there are not very many channels. That says 35 channels, but it starts on channel 11, and more than half of them are Carnival channels. You see that? Carnival ship channels. The ship cams, I don't know if they're going to be on, and it looks like they might have 3. So that's the forward view. Let me go across here. This is the view of deck 10 and aft, and we're in Long Beach. Well, that concludes our tour of cabin 7482 on the Carnival Firenze. One more last look. There's the wall. There's the cabin. And there's the other wall. And there's the door. It's a nice cabin. The beds are comfortable. We're just starting the cruise, but I know from before past experience, we were on this ship a month ago. So enjoy your time on board. So I'm Gareth from Port Monkeys saying, I'll see you in the next port. Bye. That's cabin 7842 on the Carnival Firenze. Hope you enjoy the video. I hope you enjoy your time on board. This is Gareth from Port Monkeys saying I'll see you in the next port. Bye! Well, that's it for cabin 7842. Hey, that's it for cabin 74. Ah, crap. Hey, that's it for cabin 7842. Oh, God. Well, that concludes our tour of cabin 7480.